This is a mess. So I wore, this was the situation this weekend. Poppy is exhausted. Good morning. Good morning, Brooks. Welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are new, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. So I woke up Monday morning. I'm in a good mood today. Yesterday was a bit of a downer because I ended up staying in bed all day. I was very hungover, but I had a great time this weekend. We had a friend's bachelorette party. I spent the whole weekend with friends, and yesterday I paid for it. So today I'm feeling much better. My place is a mess because it's a representation of how this weekend went. There's stuff everywhere, but today I'm gonna fix it, everything back on track to get me right for the week. I lost one nail this weekend. Like, the Tums are out right here. It's been a time. Hold on. Me and Brooks just went for a little walk, right? I picked up some cream cheese at my bodega. Got a little bodega run here. Cream cheese and my absolute favorite, Spindrift lime. Lime is my favorite flavor, and I haven't been able to find it anywhere, and they have like tall boys of Spindrifts, but we're out of sparkling water, which is bad because I drink like 4 a day. So I needed to get that for the day. All right. You know what? I think I might throw on one of these bad boys this morning. Some eye mask to kind of depuff these babies. Let's see. These are from Enzo. Oh, Eno. I don't know. It was sent to me. They look like this. Let's do a little eye patch this morning. Get a little life back into us. Oh yes, and I keep them in the fridge to make them nice and cooling. Wow, that feels fab. Guys, get yourself some eye masks and put them in the fridge. You will feel like you're at the spa. Here we go. There's some good ones from Amazon. I'll link them down below. Oh, lovely. I'm going to make a bagel. Let me show you my outfit really quick because I thought it was cute. Dog walking outfits just hit differently. I don't know why. They're just kind of fun. Okay, so I wore, don't even look at that, people. Don't even look. This adorable denim skirt from Zara, and oh, this is from Zara too. So whole outfit sponsored by Zara. Not actually, but this little knit. I've had a hair mask in my hair for like over 24 hours now, but I'm just kind of living with it. I think it looks fine. I'll let that soak in even more. And then these are from Zara. Like, you know, we're getting into fall, but it's still freaking 84 degrees outside, so I'm still wearing my denim skirts and my tank tops because it's not time for sweaters. I wanted to show you guys because we got a new, let me just move my Tums. We got a new toaster. So we got this one from Dash. I thought it was super cute because it's cream, kind of matches. Guys, look, this was the situation this weekend. Ginger ale and liquid IV. It kind of matches my Smeg, which is cream. So we got this one, and we think it's so stinking cute because you can see the toast inside or whatever. We don't know where we're gonna put it. We're thinking maybe here, but I'm gonna use this baby for the first time today because I want a bagel. So let me set it up. Guys, look what has happened to my bedroom this weekend. Like, I'm embarrassed to show you, but like, am I okay? Brooks's pig. How you doing? Time to clean this up. However, since it is my cleaning day, I wanted to share some of the things that I'm doing, how I like fully revamp the place. So I just vacuumed under the bed because, guys, you don't even know how much dust gets trapped under your bed. It's pretty disgusting. So I wanted to show you because this is my vacuum. It's the Shark and I freaking love it. And we have this attachment that goes under your couch or your bed. So I just did under the bed and it was atrocious. I came up with a few missing socks that we've been looking for. Starting my laundry basket to throw in. Also, I'm obsessed with the Swiffer Wet Jet. I feel like the floors make the biggest difference in making a space feel clean, other than just being like picked up. So yeah, I put everything in the entryway that needs to be taken out of the apartment. Like Brooks' old bed is just too ratty now. I'm gonna throw it out. This is some clothes that I need to, these are boxes of clothes that I'm selling and sending away, garbage, recycling, and then a bunch of trash that I need to deal with. But first, let me finish up with the bedroom. I have a podcast on the TV. I also want to hide this cord today. I got something on Amazon to do it. But it's just a little hard because this one doesn't reach the outlet because I like the TV really high. So I gotta figure that out still. I just tucked it in here to do the floors. Another huge tip, I've noticed that our baseboards get super dirty, so if you just brush it or wipe it before you vacuum, it makes a big difference. I'm gonna strip the bed also because I'm gonna wash the sheets. Fresh sheet day is the best day. So yeah. Guys, how stinking cute is this outfit? And look at my new boots from ASOS. I'll link them. They're like gray, rubberized rain boots, which I don't have. Give me a little bit of height. I am obsessed with them. I will link them because you need them. How cute. Got hungry for a bit of a snack. We have very little food in the house, as in almost nothing, but I checked my avocados. They're, you know, a little bit worse for wear, but not horrible. I think I kind of scoop out some of the black parts. We have some tomatoes, some cilantro, some lime, and a few of these a few of these blue tortilla chips. So I'm gonna make some guac. I love when I'm able to use like the very last bits of the food. I really hate wasting food. So yeah, let's make some guac. Okay, so we just had dinner. We had Lena's, which is an Italian place here in Midtown, and it was good. But now me and Dan are dying for something sweet. We don't have any food in this house and we're in this apartment, and I decided I wanted to make some cookies. I was gonna make them like healthy, use coconut sugar and all these things, but Dan was like, please don't. So I'm trying to scrape up the things I need to make like regular chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. So we have literally 2 eggs left, which is all I need. Chocolate chips. We have baking powder, but we don't have baking soda, and literally every recipe calls for baking soda, so I'm just gonna use baking powder and hopefully it'll be fine. Vanilla, flour, and sugar. All of them also call for brown sugar, but like I said, my brown sugar is coconut sugar, and I don't want Dan to be mad or taste anything different, so I'm just gonna use regular sugar. And then the oats. Also, I didn't plan ahead, so my butter was frozen, and I saw a trick about how to heat your butter to room temperature, because usually I just like microwave it quick, but it never turns out good. So I saw that if you do this trick, it should work. So let's try it out. You need to put some water in a measuring cup. Microwave it for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, place pieces of butter into a heat-proof bowl. And then, after the 2 minutes is done, you take it out of the microwave, you put the butter into the microwave, and the radiant heat from the microwave before will soften the butter in 10 minutes. So we're gonna try it. Although mine isn't like in the refrigerator, it's frozen, so we'll see if this actually works. Let me pop this in the microwave. Here's my butter. Let's start on the cookies.
I don't know if you've seen my ass, but...
All right. I have a feeling this isn't gonna be soft. Yeah, still very frozen. I can see how that would have worked for butter that was not frozen though. It is quite warm in there. I'm just gonna heat it up a little bit. Okay, just woke up to a great Whole Foods haul. I'm so excited because we literally have no food. Got my coffee, but we got carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, lemon, and grapefruit spindrift. Some eggs, some limes, lemons, green apples, Brussels sprouts. These are white peaches. Chobani yogurts. Red onion, banana, some couscous, a pineapple, skinny pop, cauliflower florets, another oat milk for me, and some romaine. And that is the Whole Foods haul. I'm so excited to have food in the fridge because we've literally had nothing. Time for lunch. All right, chefs, what have we prepared today? We just got back from a walk. B is exhausted. I'm exhausted. And Dan just made us some lunch. We got couscous, carrots, cucumber, and lime spindrift, my fave lunch. All right, it's time for the workout today. I'm not feeling that up to it, so I'm just gonna do like a quick Peloton, I think. However, I wanted to show you guys this set from Amazon, guys. You need it. I'll link it down below. Cheap, squat proof, love the color. All right, I got the washer going. I cleaned the place up and it's the end of the night. Went to the gym, took a shower. Now we're watching Love Island. I'm freaking obsessed with Love Island. I forget what season we're on, but it's 2018. We kind of working backwards because we watched the newest one first. My hair's still a little bit wet. I'm gonna make a cup of tea. Watching these British people drink tea all the time, I just want a cuppa. So I'm gonna make some tea. This is where I keep all my teas. I'm getting really sick of not having lights back here or a couch, but we're living through it. So this is where I keep my little teas. For Dan, I'm gonna make a little bit of like a, kind of like a medicine ball because he doesn't like tea that tastes like tea. So I have one Tivana Jade Citrus and one Tivana Peach Tranquility. And I'll put a little bit of lemon. But for me, I'm gonna have milk with my English breakfast. A bit of honey. And just a bit of